Hello, this is a video tour of 1380 48th Avenue. You walk into this nice lobby. Straight ahead is the parking and the laundry for the building. You walk up, and this unit is unit number 4, located on the first level above ground. There is a coat closet right as you walk in. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout this apartment. To the right here is your full bathroom. You have a tub and shower combination. Nice big medicine cabinet with storage behind the mirrors. Good sized shower head. This is an immaculate unit. Everything's been turned over beautifully. Okay, over here is the linen closet. Lots of shelving. First bedroom. Now, this unit is located off the street, so it is very quiet. You have baseboard heating. Nice big bedroom. Here you have an ensuite bathroom and huge closet. This goes all the way back. And there's plenty of room for a little dresser straight ahead. This bathroom also has a bathtub. And it is just in immaculate condition. I did mention there is a parking spot as well as shared laundry in the building. Okay, so here is the second bedroom. This one has an elevated window. Nice big room. Here's a peek out the window here, and this faces the shared backyard. It is quite large. And this closet goes all the way back. Okay, so now we're going to head on over to the kitchen and living room. This is a beautiful kitchen that's been recently redone. Stainless appliances, dishwasher, stone counters, lots of cabinet and counter space, and it is somewhat open to the living room, which overlooks the shared garden. Okay, if you're interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.